Drafts around doors waste heat and money. Here are 10 effective fixes, ranked from good to best. From Axiom Eco Homes. Number 10. Use a draft excluder sausage. These fabric tubes cost between £5 and £15 and are ideal for doors you do not use often. Number 9. Add a keyhole cover on a chain. It costs just £2 to £5 and stops a persistent narrow draft in seconds. Number 8. Install a draft-proof letterbox cover. A letterbox can let in as much cold air as a 10mm gap, and a cover costs only £8 to £15. Number 7. Check and seal the door threshold. A worn strip causes a big gap. Replacing it costs between £15 and £40. Number 6. Fit self-adhesive foam tape to the frame. It fills gaps up to 5mm, costs £5 to £10 per door, and should be replaced every 1 to 2 years. Number 5. Use a hinged flap seal for uneven floors. It drops automatically to seal gaps on carpet or slopes and costs £15 to £30. Number 4. Seal the bottom gap with a brush strip. It costs £10 to £25 and saves £30 to £60 per year on heating bills. Number 3. Seal gaps around a cat flap. Use a draft-proof model or add a magnetic seal to block cold air. Number 2. Install a hinged flap seal for high-traffic doors. It is more durable than brush strips and costs £15 to £30. Number 1. Combine a brush strip and threshold seal for the best draft proofing. Total cost is between £25 and £65, and it can save you up to £60 a year. Start with the biggest gap and work down. For expert advice, visit Axiom Eco Homes.